Dear Alibaba friends, dear Olympic friends, welcome to the future of Olympic broadcasting. The cutting-edge technology of Alibaba Cloud is helping broadcasters to bring the magic of the Olympic Games Paris 2024 to more people, in more places, in more ways, and more sustainably. Alibaba Cloud is transforming the Olympic Games for the digital age, and in doing so, Alibaba is helping to transform Olympic broadcasting, enhancing the ways spectators and fans experience the Olympic Games, as well as increasing the efficiency and sustainability of broadcasting operations. The pioneering work of Alibaba in using AI at scale will take cloud-based broadcasting to new heights at the Olympic Games Paris 2024. As the Olympic athletes show us, we can only go faster, aim higher, be stronger if we stand together. Our great partnership with Alibaba is the perfect illustration of this, our Olympic motto: faster, higher, stronger, together. Thank you once again to our friends at Alibaba for helping us to make all this happen.